Which resource should be reviewed first to initiate the restoration of systems following a major outage or disaster? The options are A. Build documentation, B. Entity relations diagram, C. Transaction logs, and D. Data dictionary. This question asks us to identify the most foundational resource needed when recovering an entire infrastructure after a catastrophic event. We are looking for the specific documentation that provides the necessary guidance to begin rebuilding or restoring services from the ground up.
I believe the correct answer is A, build documentation. This is because build documentation contains the architectural blueprints, server configurations, and step-by-step procedures required to reconstruct an environment. It acts as the primary roadmap for disaster recovery efforts.
The other options are less suitable for the initial phase of restoration. Transaction logs are helpful for point-in-time data recovery, but do not provide the infrastructure restoration steps. Entity relation diagrams and data dictionaries are focused on database structure, not recovery procedures. Exam tip: always prioritize documents that contain high-level operational procedures and configuration baselines during recovery scenarios.